Hi guys, my name is Sully. Welcome again to Romano Road Ready. Just wanted to give you a quick tip this week on how to set an online appointment. Alrighty, so you just go ahead and go to the Romano Mazda website, hover over the Service and Parts tab here, hit Schedule Service, scroll right on down, hit Make Year Model, and then just hit Mazda. We'll do for a 2022, we'll say CX-5. And then you select your engine, or if you don't know, you just hit I don't know. So like that, and then we'll just put our rough mileage in. Doesn't have to be exact. And then we go ahead and scroll on down, hit continue. And then we go ahead and select the part or the services that we need. So let's say we need an oil change or entire rotation, basic service. You can hit the expand button down there. If you need a state inspection, you just select that. And any other services that you may need. So just go right in there. You can write a quick description if there's something additional going on. But we'll just say this is a normal maintenance service. And then you just hit next right here. And then you just select what you plan to do, whether you have a ride that picks you up, you wanted to wait here at the dealership with our complimentary snacks and Wi-Fi, or have a shuttle take you in the morning. So we'll just select wait, hit next. And then we just select the date that we have that we need. So we'll say, so right here, earliest day available is the 8th, which only has one slot available. Well, maybe the 8th doesn't work for us, so we'll click around a little bit, find a better day, and as you can see, the further away we get, the more time slots that are available. So we'll just select 9 o'clock on Friday the 11th here, and then we'll just go ahead and review, put our information in, and hit schedule. And that is how you set an appointment with the online service here at Romano Mazda. Thank you for joining me for this week's tip, brought to you by the Romano service team. We'll see you next time on Romano Road Ready. Real people, real advice, the Romano way.